Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change PHP version in Ubuntu system. So let's start it. So let me open first my terminal. So let me open the terminal. You can see over here and let's see like first PHP version. So PHP version that installed in my system. So you can see that 8.3. Okay. And now let's start it with the change because I am using the Apache 2. So what I will do, sudo and update alternatives and test config php. Okay, and hit enter. It will ask you sudo password, so let me enter it. And now you can see that list of all php version that installed in my system that will display over here, and you can see that you can choose any one. So right now I want to make it 8.4, so I will say third option. Okay, you can see that you need to choose from here. So hit enter. You can see that update alternatives. Okay, so now changed. Now let me restart my Apache server. So I will say sudo service apache 2 restart. Okay, now you can see that server is restart and you can see this is the warning, so you can ignore for now. Okay, and let me run again my php version php-v. Hit enter. You can see that 8.4.3 and this is the CLI version. And let me also show you in my code. So let me go here and I've already created one php file. So go www and I will say me php. Okay, and let me clear it. Ls, there is already index file, so let me get it. Okay, and you can see that there is a php info. Okay, now let me run this file in browser. Okay, php, sorry, not artisan, as localhost and with 8000. Okay, hit enter. You can see that it started. And now let me go here and with 8000 you can see that php version is 8.4. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how we can easily change the php version in Ubuntu. If you like this video, then share with your friends and see you in the next video guys.